In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an item in Square. First, sign into your Square dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the section dedicated to your products. Click Items and Inventory to open the tools you'll use to build and manage what you sell. From there, choose Item Library. This is where all your existing items live, and it's also where you'll add new ones. Click Create an item to get started. Square will ask what type of item you want to create. Pick the type that best matches what you're selling. For this walkthrough, choose prepared food and beverage as an example. Then click Next. Selecting the right type helps Square apply relevant options and tax settings later. Now add the basics, enter the item. Name customers will see everywhere. Make it clear and recognizable. If your business uses a kitchen printer or display, add a kitchen name as well. This can be a shortened or more precise label your team understands quickly during service. Set the price next. You can enter a single price or prepare for more complex setups later. Add a customer-facing description to highlight key details. Think ingredients, features, or selling points that help customers decide. If you have a great photo, upload images to make the item stand out. Use clear, well-lit pictures for best results. Configure taxes so the right rates apply automatically. Choose the tax option that aligns with your location and item type. If it's relevant to your business, fill in nutritional information to support transparency and help customers with dietary needs. Decide how you want to manage inventory. Turn on tracking if you count stock or ingredients, set your starting quantity, and enable alerts so you know when it's time to restock. If your item comes in different options, add variations such as sizes or flavors, each with its own price and SKU if needed. Use modifiers for add-ons or customizations like extra toppings or substitutions so staff can quickly tailor orders. If this item is sold as part of a set or combo, use bundle to connect it with other items and keep your counts accurate. Add custom attributes for any additional fields your workflow requires, such as internal notes, allergen tags, or prep times. In Manage Checkout, choose how the item appears at the point of sale or online, and decide whether it's visible and ready for customers to buy. Set the status, active, draft, or hidden based on whether you're ready to start selling. Assign the item to categories to organize your menus and filters. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new item is now set up in Square and ready for action.